str word and error words. Text. Let me make sure I'm using the right thing here. Str find should work. At. Let's just make sure we're, here we go. You know what we'll do is let's debug this. So we'll run the debugger. And at this first pause, it's giving me the right variables, and it's looking at in publishing and graphic design. We're almost okay. So AR emails already has one email in it, and you can see, well, maybe you can't because it's a little tiny, but AR emails here is getting the right thing. So, oh, what do we have here? I lost whatever my return was. AR emails. And we're going to need to indent that. So let's run this again now without the debugger because I feel like it's AR emails. Oh, turn AR emails. That was in that loop. There we go. Yay. So the reason it wasn't working when I first tested that was that I just had the return keyword without returning the variable. So now when I run that, it's working. Okay, cool. And some of these are already valid emails, but you can see that some of them brought some extra baggage with it. So I've solved that problem.